What's up, guys? Gonna go ahead and give you a camera review of the iPhone 17. This is in fact the iPhone 17 right now. So ever since I've had the phone for the last 72 hours, I've been just recording and just taking it out with me, and because it is one of my phones that I use right now. So take a look at this content. This is the iPhone 17 right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this video started. Now you may see a change of clothes and things like that, but that's just because the footage is compounded over several days. So let's get into this content, and I hope you enjoy the footage. Again, I think the iPhone 17's cameras are absolutely great. I don't see how a person could not like these cameras, but we're gonna make sure we dive deep and show you content outside this time. I went to the park several days and just shot content out there. So let's get into it. So this is my official camera review for the iPhone 17. Decided to come to the park, bring out the Jeep, show you the Jeep. You remember the Jeep? Yeah. So I'm glad I switched to wide angle so you can see the wide angle now, but kind of my official look at the cameras outdoors and the elements. It's beautiful outside. And I just think this is the way to go when you're shooting video. If you can get some sunlight, you're gonna do all right. Switch back to that lens and boom, we're just like that. But video review, cameras really are just great on this phone. And I don't have an external microphone or anything hooked up. It's just the mic itself. It's really loud outside right now too with construction, but I found a good spot to record at the park. Cinematic video, one of my favorites that I like to shoot. In this video, I'm just kind of testing out the cameras outdoors. This is where these phones really shine outdoors. There's a lot going on out here, a lot of elements. There's lawn cutter, people cutting the grass, and just a bunch of noise, construction. And I'm wondering how well this will focus on my voice. Like there's big tractors going by, a whole bunch of things, man. Dogs running around, making a bunch of noise. But this phone is actually really good. All phones do good outdoors, but this one really shines for portrait video outdoors. All right, so there you have it, man. What do you guys think about the iPhone 17's cameras? It's definitely pro level quality because Apple put all the same cameras on all their phones. This Air and the 17 and the Pro models get at least that single camera, that 48 megapixel fusion camera. They all get that, and then that's what you're looking at right now is to bring you this content. I just think it's a phenomenal set of cameras, and I've always been that person that said, hey, if I'm going to review something, I'm going to actually use it for the purposes of reviewing as well. And so that is why I typically use the phones to record. I think it's only fair to you. I can show you stills and things like that in B-roll, or just other types of B-roll. But I think it's just better just to use the content or use the product and show it to you. When Apple does videos on their cameras, they get big rigs and they do a bunch of stuff to make they shoot in Pro RAW. They do all these things to make these phones really shine, and they get consumers thinking that they can do that too. And you can with some practice, but most consumers are just going to turn it on like I'm doing and shoot content. And that is where this phone really shines. Just walking around outside or just whatever you're doing, the phones are going to shine for video and photos as well. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed video review cameras on the iPhone 17. Stay locked.